Brian Sullivan. Brian, this has been huge for these stocks that we thought were long gone.
Dare I call it random and interesting, Kelly? Can I say that on the exchange?
Yes.
All right, coal use, folks. Coal is at a record high this year. The International Energy Agency is saying that global coal use is going to be up more than 1%. 1% doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're already high, that's a new record. In fact, let's measure it in weight. The IEA says coal use should hit 8 billion with a B tons this year. And if so, got a couple days left of the year, that would break the previous record of coal use set in 2013. All right, what? Why is coal so hot? Well, number one, it's a cheaper option. Okay, number two, you had a lot of weird weather. You had a lot of heat. You had a lot of drought. You had some lack of wind. What does that mean? Well, if there's drought, no hydro, you need more coal. If it's too hot, you got to run the air conditioners, of course. And if there's no wind, you got to get the power from somewhere. And it's not here. Really, this is a China and India story, a little bit Indonesia as well. Much of coal use growth coming globally. China, we know they're building huge new coal capacity. They had power outages last year. They're paranoid about running out of energy. Coal use here in the U.S. also still way larger than you think. Kelly, look at this. The electricity generation mix a couple hours ago in what they call the Mid-Continent ISO, Independent Systems Operator, you could see it's about 40% coal. Now, this will be wound down over coming years, we are told. But for now, coal, look at that, coal around the world and in America is like the hottest asset class.
Right. So here's, raises so many questions about whether you should just invest in everything people are trying to get rid of, because apparently they will not be successful. But a lot of this also seemed to do with this unique shortage of energy around the world and the ripple effects of that. Is it going to last into 2023? Do we know? I mean, is it going to have to be a permanent part of the energy mix solution? I'm thinking about this from the stocks point of view, which have had such a run-up.
Where in the world are we talking about? I'm confident enough to say that 2023, yes. Well, in a year, we're not going to change anything. Here's the thing. If you read about energy transitions, as I have been for years now, they take way longer than you think. You can like it or not, but you can't disagree with history. They can take 100 years, right? The rest of the world just wants a little bit of what we've had, which is reliable energy, turn on the heat, turn on the air conditioning, right? We talk about the danger of heat stroke, have air conditioning. Cold kills more people worldwide than heat.
Well,
doesn't get any attention. Cold is a much bigger killer than heat, so you want to be able to use the heat. By the way, you referenced prices. Prices have come down off their peak. But look at these stocks. Peabody, Consol Energy, Arch Coal. They've just printed money for investors this year.
Yeah.
Not sure those kind of returns will continue, Kelly, but hey.
Exactly. And so I guess the main thing to watch, if you're looking at this and going, you know what, I should have been in these names for this year. Brian's telling me we're still going to have coal demand for next year, but do we have to go back and say, well, what are the stockpiles for nat gas in Europe? I mean, is that the kind of the key determining factor here for this global pinch point?
Well, first off, can you show me a major Wall Street firm recommending coal stocks? Mrs. Evans, have I got a hot stock for you? ITT and coal. I mean, what year is this, right? It's hard to believe. So I think your thesis about buy the stuff other people are dumping, because if it's still being utilized, the people still making it, you can hate the story, but it's true. It's not my story. It's the IEA, the EIA, and any other number of energy-related acronyms, Kelly.
Everyone's getting coal in their stocking and liking it this year.
I'm not. I've been nice. I'm nice.